Look at the water, so colorful, so pretty. Because people like prettiness. If it isn't pretty, I don't, you know, people like pretty. It got to be pretty. And it's the worst thing. You don't think that way. Prettiness. And ladies and gentlemen, I get burnt sienna is not red enough. I'm gonna get a little bit of deep scarlet. It's too watery. Maybe a little bit of red. Let's see. Oh, I'm looking for an orange. A bit of red, a bit of yellow. You are witnessing what I'm doing. You know, it's too red. Maybe this. Look what I'm doing. Look at this, terrific. Look at this.
It's finished.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this, beautiful. Look at this. Can you do these beautiful strokes I'm doing here? Look at this. It's just too lovely. I love it. Who is this guy? His name is Alvaro. Look at these brush strokes he does here, for instance. What's his name? I think his name is Alvaro. Where is he from? I wonder what is he doing in South America. He should be in a better place. His name is Alvaro. Be careful how you pronounce it. He gets very upset.
I can tell.
Yeah, I'm blending ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We're gonna put a little bit of a footpath here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the pedestrian crossing. I keep it white. I keep it on, it will bleed into that. Well, let's see how we go. And ladies and gentlemen, second marriage.
Second.
Oh, not another one.
This is
God, the woods are
Third
full of them.
Ah, this is your army friend. This is from Israeli army friend.
You saw a beautiful girl there.
Yeah, he's a beautiful girl. No, he's not.